Okay, did somebody say drink? Asia's Elixirs here. So I have a Blizzard cocktail. What is that, you say? So let me tell you. I have my shaker glass and I have my ice, and I have Crown Royal, which you can use any type of whiskey, bourbon, cognac. I'm gonna use Crown Royal tonight. I have simple syrup, I have cranberry juice, and I have lemon juice. So let's mix it all up. Now, I have my personalized glass. Shout out to Autumn, which I'm going to put her Etsy business in the description. So shout out to her. I'm gonna put all her stuff in there. I'm going to do a shot of Crown inside of my shaker. Whew. You want something strong? Yeah, there you go. I'm going to do a half shot of simple syrup. I'm going to do probably a fourth shot of lemon juice, depending on how you like it. Some people like it tart, some people don't. And I'm going to do 2 shots of cranberry juice. There you go. You could tweak the cranberry juice however you want it, you know, depending on how you like it, strong or not. Strong with a C. Okay? We're gonna shake it up. Now I'm gonna just use the same ice in my shaker, in my personalized glass. Thank you, Autumn. Or you can use fresh ice. It's up to you. I'm at home before I go to my event that I have tonight, so do that. Or, like I said, fresh ice or not. It's up to your preference. Let's try this out. Crown drinkers, make this drink, y'all. Make this drink, okay? If I had glass, I'd take them off for tenderism. All right, this is a drink. New Year's Eve drink. Netflix and chill drink. Couples drink. I want to sit at home and do nothing drink. After work drink. Yep, this is it. Crown, this would be good with Jim Beam, Douce, Henny, anything. This is a great cocktail. So cheers. Cheers.